Okay, well, this is my basement, and like say in America, we have the luxury of having a basement. So this is everything that I built. Like say there's a toilet there, there's a wall there, there's a workshop there, this is a den, and this is storage. But the purpose of this video is to show you my workshop. So, like I say, none of this was here. I had to put these walls up, run electrics. I'm quite lucky because I got a couple of windows, but at the bottom of the window is actually ground level. And so here we've got, this is going to be a spray booth area. Still need to finish the electrics. Want to decide where the spray booth is going to go. I got some acrylic paints which was supposed to be for model making, plastic models, but I'm probably going to use it for spraying the balsa wood models with a tissue. I got a 3D printer there. I got a CNC machine there, which I'm probably going to put a laser on it so that I can actually scan and print my own balsa wood models. Sewing machine, yep, I do kite flying as well, and yeah, I drink a lot of scotch. Going to use that for formers for making coils out of copper wire for crystal radios. There's a couple of old radio sets here as well. Storage, like I say, and it's still a work in progress. This is going to be the modelling area at the moment, but still need to do a lot of tidying up. There's my 3 Gylo models. I'm not sure if you pronounce it Gylo or Guilo. I think Guilo is a Chinese word that I heard a lot when I was in Hong Kong. I think it means non-Chinese person. I'm not quite sure, but I'm not sure how to pronounce that. We've got oscilloscope, loads of storage up here for electronics components, and loads of storage down here. Yep, I know. There's paper for the paper models, plastic models, storage, and so that's basically it. So, like I said, I've still got a lot to do. Still got to finish putting insulation in the ceiling here, which you can see a little bit there. So still need to finish the insulation, to get rid of this light, put a central light in, and the also thing I need to do up there is make a hole to the outside wall that I can have a vent for the spray booth. And then over here also need to run a hole to the outside wall so that I can run power cables to, I'm going to put an astronomy pier that I can put my telescope on, so I need to be able to run power and Ethernet out of there. And then maybe through here I'll probably run some other bits and pieces, maybe for coax or for antennas, something like that. But yeah, so this is my workshop, multi hobbies. What else have I got under here? Oh, okay, a UPS. That's going to be for the 3D printer. I do have another 3D printer, but there's nowhere to put it at the moment. And yeah, plumbing bits because I was working on the bathroom. So this hopefully will end up being put to use fairly soon. Like I said, I just got a lot of work to do. I need to finish this corridor, need to finish the walls there, need to finish the bathroom, as you can see. But anyway, hope everyone's having a good day. And yeah, I'm filming this with an Olympus OMD M1 Mark II actually. So first time I've ever done a video on it. No, I don't even know if it's in focus. Alright guys and girls, have a great day. Bye for now. Bye bye.